Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Roku device firmware to access new features and security improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and your television. Make sure your Roku is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Press the home button on your Roku remote to return to the main screen and access the home menu. Step 3. Navigate to Settings by scrolling down and selecting it from the menu options on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Select System from the Settings menu to access system configuration options. Step 5. Choose System Update from the available options to check for available firmware updates. Step 6. Select Check Now to manually search for the latest Roku firmware version. The system will connect to Roku servers to see if an update is available. Step 7. If an update is found, select Update Now to begin downloading and installing the latest firmware. Your Roku will restart automatically during this process. Step 8. Wait for the update to complete and your device to restart. Once finished, your Roku will return to the home screen with the latest firmware installed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.